In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to respond to sarcasm. Wisdom is the ability to apply what you know and understand. Wisdom says a tomato is a fruit, but you don't put a tomato in a fruit salad. Responding to sarcasm can be quite simple. You just merely ask a question, a direct question, with respect and say, hey, are you being sarcastic? It's much like responding to triangulation when a person complains to you about what so-and-so did. You just listen with empathy and you merely state, hey, that sounds terrible, that sounds awful, did you talk to the other person about that? Hey, that sounds terrible, that sounds awful. Did you talk to the other person about that? And if so, what did they say? In both cases, this way you confront the toxic pattern in the system. It could be in your family, it could be in the business system, and the system will run better. It's really important not to judge the other person. Don't get offended. If you take on offense, it causes will conflict to increase, and the result of taking on offense in a system is division. The offense comes in and tries to divide people and destroys unity. Don't say you're being sarcastic, that's judgmental. Don't say you're triangulating, that's judgmental. Look, we are powerless over other people, but you can learn how to respond to other people in love, open and honest and direct communication. Sarcasm cuts people. It's a pathogen in the system. Don't allow it. If you allow it, it will continue. And the result of sarcasm is team members who feel inadequate in a weakened system and an unsafe environment. It's just not a place where someone can be vulnerable. Hey, I hope this helped you, and God bless. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.